Hi kids, happy morning. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to take Senior KG English class. Okay. Already I have sent you one video, right? I think you have all liked that video and I enjoyed watching that video, right? Yes? Okay. Shall we recall that once again? Okay. How many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets in English. You are all in senior KG, right? So you have to frame a sentence. You have to say in a sentence. There are 26 alphabets in English. How many vowels are there in English? There are 5 vowels in English. Have you all practiced the phonetic sound? Phonetic songs? Phonic sounds? Have you practiced? Yes. Have you revised the picture words? Okay. Shall we continue the class now? Now page number 7. Already we have learned A to D, right? A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, chocolate, and D for dolphin, right? Now we are going to learn the next letter. E sounds like A. A for engine. Have you all seen engine? Engine? Train engine. Yes, engine. Then for flower. F sounds like for flower. Flower smells like so good, right? Now it's time to write the capital and small alphabets, which means uppercase and lowercase alphabet, right? Okay. Already we have written A to D, right? A to D. Now we are going to write A and okay, capital. Already you know to write, right? So one standing line, sleeping line, another sleeping line. This gives us uppercase E, then lowercase. One sleeping line, long curve gives us, what is this? Small letter E. Small letter means lowercase E. Okay. Next we have to write F. Uppercase and lowercase. This is uppercase and this is lowercase. Have you all written? Okay. Next letter is, what is this? G. G sounds like G. G for grapes. How many colors are there in grapes? 2 colors, right? Green and violet. What color grapes we have in book? Violet color. Green? Is that green? No. It's a violet. G for grapes. What is this? A for engine, for flower, G for grapes. Delicious grapes, right? It's a liquid food, right? It's so healthy to us. Okay. Now it's time to write capital G. Okay. This is small letter G. Lowercase and uppercase. Next letter is H. H sounds like for, what is this? Helicopter. Helicopter, does it have wings or fan on its top? It has a fan on its top. Fan ke blue wings irukuma. How many wings does it have? It has 3 wings. Helicopter. Okay. Next, I sounds like E. What picture it is? Iron box. Iron box will take all the greases of the dress, right? நம்மளோட dress என்ன பண்ணும்? Iron பண்ணி stiff-ஆ பண்ணுமா. So it's called iron box. Shall we write? Okay. Next letter is H. Capital H and small h. Capital I and small I. Uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. Okay. Next letter is J. Sounds like J. J for juice. J for juice. What juice it is? Lemon juice. What is the color of the lemon? Yellow color. J for juice. G for grapes. H sounds like for helicopter, iron box, and this is J for juice. Then K. K sounds like K. K for kingfisher. What bird it is? Kingfisher is in blue color. Okay, this color, this my dress color, it is kingfisher's color. Okay, kingfisher bird's color. Okay, kingfisher will be in blue color. It is a bird. K for kingfisher. Okay, shall we write? Jaw. Write capital jaw. You know to write, right? So write in your notebook. Then capital K, small k. Okay. Have you written? Yes. Next letter is L. L for lemon. What is the color of the lemon? Yellow. Here also, what juice it is? Lemon juice. And we have L for lemon. Lemon will be in yellow color. Okay. Lemon juice is also very healthy for us. It will give immune system for us. Ipo coronavirus ka adena pannuma immune. It will give us immune strength. Okay. L for lemon. Next, M for mushroom. M for mushroom. Mushroom looks like an umbrella. Mushroom enga irukuma? It will grow on the roadside. It will grow under the tree. Adu taanave valaruma. Have you eaten mushroom fry and all? Yes. So ME, right? M for mushroom. N for newspaper. What is this? N for newspaper. Newspaper enna pannalama? We can read all the news, right? You also know to read 3-letter words, right? 3-letter word oda phonic sound padikka theriyum, right? You can also take the newspaper, underline the 3-letter words, and you can try to read on your own. Okay. N for newspaper. M for mushroom. What is this letter? O. O sounds like A. A for ostrich. Ostrich oda neck eppadi irukuma? Long ah irukum. Can it fly? No, it can't fly. Okay. It is a bird or an animal? It's a bird, but it can't fly. Okay. You have learned in EVS, right? EVS subject la padichirkinga. Ostrich can't fly. Okay. So far we have learned add to our words. Okay. Now it's time to write L. Capital E, small e. Capital M, small m. Can you all see the board? Yes. Capital M, small m. Capital O, small r. Okay. Have you all written this? You have to write together. Uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. Okay. So that you can remember easily. Already you know this. Once we have to write in your note. Okay. Put English and put the date and you can write. Okay. Fine. Now it's time to say a story. Small story. Okay. Shall we say? What story we are going to say now? What story we are going to say? Small story. Okay. There was a boy. Okay. There was a boy in a home. There was a boy and a mother in a home. What he did, usually he'll pray. Okay. Pray to God. நீங்களும் pray பண்ணுவீங்கல்ல? God கிட்ட என்ன பண்ணாங்களாம்? Pray பண்ணாங்களாம். Pray பண்ணும்போது என்ன ப்ரே பண்ணுவாங்களாம்? God, I need chocolates, I need biscuits, I need so much of choices. இப்படிதான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்களாம்? ப்ரே பண்ணுவாங்களாம். பட் God என்ன பண்ணாங்களாம்? அது எதுவுமே கொடுக்கவே இல்லையா? Why he didn't give? அதனால என்ன பண்ணாங்களாம்? அந்த பாய், குட்டி பாய், he went to his mother, mummy, why God is not giving anything to me? So she said, you have to pray for the sake of others. மற்றவங்களுக்காக தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணுமா? ப்ரேயர் பண்ணணும். அப்பதான் வந்து God என்ன பண்ணுவாராம்? எல்லாமே கொடுப்பாங்களா? And also you have to pray for your own good character. I need good qualities, good habits. I should behave so loving to others. I should not behave so harsh to others. யார்கிட்டயும் harsh-ஆ இருக்கக்கூடாது, loving-ஆ இருக்கணும், kind-ஆ இருக்கணும், good-ஆ இருக்கணும். God help me to do all the works. எல்லாம் நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது God you have to help me. அப்படி வந்து ப்ரே பண்ணாதான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்களா? God will also help you and he will give so much of good things to you. Okay. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணாங்களா? அந்த பாய் எப்பயுமே வந்து God கிட்ட அது மாதிரி தான் ப்ரேயர் பண்ணுவாங்களாம். Okay. Now we are going to learn prayer rhymes. Our first senior KG rhymes is prayer rhymes. Okay. நம்மளுடைய bookல என்ன இருக்கா? Prayer rhymes தான் இருக்கா. Shall we sing? Are you all ready? Then join your hands. Shall we start singing the rhymes? Okay. You have to repeat after me. Okay. You all ready? Join your hands. Shall we start? Father, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do, in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Shall we sing one more time? Join your hands. Father, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do, in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Very good. Clap your hands. Okay. You have to practice this rhymes. You have to pause the video, listen so many times, then sing along with me. Practice the song. Okay. Practice the prayer rhymes. Now we are going to learn a cursive writing. Okay. We are going to learn cursive alphabet. Already you know to write capital and small letter, uppercase and lowercase alphabets, right? So now we are going to learn how to write a cursive capital A. Okay. Since it is a new thing for you all, so we are going to learn slowly. Okay. You have 4 lines note with you all, right? Take 4 lines note. Take your pencil, sharp your pencil. Keep eraser with you all, okay? We are going to write cursive A. Take the cursive note, 4 lines note. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines you have, right? So before that, what you have to do, you can practice this. You can practice this stroke, okay? What stroke you have to practice? Like this. You know to write small e, right? Like this you can practice. For making cursive easy. This curve, in the curve la வந்து easier எழுதுறதுக்காக practice-காக இது stroke, okay? Next stroke வந்து, you know to write U, right? U மாதிரி curve மாதிரி போடலாமா. Next, you know to write slanting line, right? Top to bottom போணுமா. Top to bottom. In the 3 basic lines first write பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாமா, we can go to cursive A. Okay. First 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines we have, right? So third line you have to touch the third line. Write one small curve, slanting line to the top of the first line and another slanting line. Go back to the second line, curve and one extension. Okay. Shall we write one more time? One curve, slanting line, another slanting line. Go back, curve and extension. Shall we write one more time? Small curve, slanting line, another slanting line. Curve to the right and an extension. Okay. One curve, extension, slanting line, another slanting line, one curve to the right line and one extension. Clear? Now one more time. 1, 2, 3. Third line. One curve. Go back to the first line. Come back next. Then one curve. One extension to the right. What is this? Second line. Okay. Curve. Okay. Like this. Now you have to write on your own. Sign to write. Curve. Touch the third line. Go to the first line. Come back to the third line. One curve. and one extension on the right. Okay, and right side of the second line. Okay, this is the cursive A. Okay, have you all learned to write cursive A? Yes. So far we have learned what we have learned. We have learned page number 7, picture related words. You have to touch each letter. Say A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for chocolate, D for dolphin. Like this. Read, keep your finger on each line. Read this page, page number 7. Then we have learned prayer rhymes, right? This is prayer rhymes. See, she's also joined her hands. Okay, prayer rhymes from page number 27. Okay, practice all this. And what is this? Cursive A also you have to practice, right? Bye kids. See you in the next video. Follow all my instructions. Stay safe.